Welcome back to our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. In this video, we will be discussing retirement planning and saving. Why is retirement planning important? Retirement planning is important because it ensures that you have enough money to live on during your retirement years. Without proper planning, you may find yourself struggling financially during retirement. How much should you save for retirement? The amount you should save for retirement depends on your individual circumstances and goals. However, as a general rule, it's recommended to aim to save enough to replace at least 70 to 90% of your pre-retirement income. Ways to save for retirement. There are several ways to save for retirement, including 401k or employer-sponsored retirement plan. Many employers offer 401k or other employer-sponsored retirement plans, which allow you to save for retirement on a tax-deferred basis. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. IRAs are a type of savings account that offers tax advantages for retirement savings. Investing. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets can help you grow your wealth over time and provide a source of income during retirement. It's important to start saving as early as possible. Even small contributions can add up over time. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Additionally, it's important to review and adjust your retirement savings plan as your circumstances and goals change throughout your lifetime. Keep in mind that the government also provides retirement benefits through the Social Security program, which can provide additional income during retirement. However, these benefits may not be sufficient to cover all of your expenses, so it's important to plan accordingly. Different types of retirement accounts. In addition to 401ks and IRAs, there are several other types of retirement accounts that you may consider, such as 1. Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is similar to a traditional IRA, but contributions are made with after-tax dollars, and withdrawals during retirement are tax-free. 2. SEP IRA. A SEP IRA is a retirement plan for self-employed individuals or small business owners. 3. Solo 401k. A Solo 401k is a retirement plan for self-employed individuals with no employees. Strategies for maximizing your retirement savings. 1. Contribute the maximum amount allowed to your retirement accounts. 2. Take advantage of employer matching contributions. 3. Increase your contributions as your income increases. 4. Consider working a little longer to increase your retirement savings. Impact of inflation on retirement savings. Inflation is the general increase in the price of goods and services over time. Inflation can have a significant impact on your retirement savings, as the purchasing power of your money decreases over time. To combat the effects of inflation, it's important to invest in assets that have the potential to earn returns that outpace inflation, such as stocks or real estate. Conclusion. Retirement planning is an essential aspect of personal finance, as it ensures that you have enough money to live on during your retirement years. By understanding different types of retirement accounts, implementing strategies for maximizing your retirement savings, and being aware of the impact of inflation on your retirement savings, you can make informed decisions and work towards a secure financial future. Remember to start saving as early as possible, review and adjust your plan regularly, and seek professional advice when necessary.